Hi everyone, I'm going to show you where a potential problem may be and I'll show you how to fix it. So if you guys watched my last video, you've guys seen that the white wire here, you can pull it down, unhook the garage door, and bring it up into the ceiling. If you do this right and you don't let it go back on your hand, you can actually pull it back up into the ceiling and it'll kind of stay there on its own. Now, here's the one problem that people face. They go back to their garage door controller, they press it, and you're gonna hear this kind of whirring sound of it. All that is it moving the sprocket without the wire being connected. So to reconnect all this, what you do is you grab on the top of your garage door. And it's gonna come back down normally. You're gonna hear that. It's gonna hook back in. And you're gonna press it. The garage door will bring itself down. Right back in business. Now that one thing, if you are afraid that you've broken something, if you pull it and it does make a different sound than that, if it makes a sound of like you accidentally broke something, sometimes you've lowered the garage door too quickly, in which case you're gonna wanna be careful because like I said, that wire will reconnect itself. So when lowering this door, make sure after you get it into that connection that it has actually locked and that you didn't accidentally jam something while lowering it.